Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to cast a Google Chrome tab to your TV. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Casting a Google Chrome tab to your TV is easy, especially if you have a Chromecast or a smart TV with built-in casting features. Here's how. Using Chromecast or a smart TV with cast support. Make sure your computer and TV are on the same internet network. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top corner. Select Cast from the drop-down menu. A list of available devices will appear. Choose your TV or Chromecast. Select whether you want to cast just the tab or your desktop. Your Chrome tab should now be displayed on your TV. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.